Welcome back YouTube, VST here with S22. I have created a touch macro using Routines Plus to open the camera and then go back to my home screen and open the camera again. I want to run this macro 1000 times, but apparently you cannot enter 1000, so I've entered here 999 times, guys. I'm gonna save it right now and I'm gonna hit on the play. And why I'm doing this? First, when you open the camera, guys, you know what happens. It goes from 120 Hertz to 60 Hertz, right? Which is something I don't really like. There is a way to force 120 Hertz also in the camera viewfinder, but it's not native and it doesn't really work that great. I want to see what will happen when my camera is open 999 times. So, okay, let me just fast forward the video and let me just see if the phone is going to handle this or not, or if the macro, okay, see here, wow, macro already starts failing, guys, because we have at some point a lag. And I guess that's going to be more and more interesting because I have just inputted there very limited time between opening and closing the camera, right? So the phone will not have the chance to recover. Okay, but now it gets stabilized, so right, it's stable now. Let us see if my S22 Ultra is going to be able to open the camera 999 times. So I'm gonna fast forward the video, guys. Please keep watching until the end, and then we're gonna do a short wrap up. And if you're here for the first time, yeah, just you might as well want to subscribe to the channel, and let's keep watching. I will post the interesting moments like this. Oh my god. Those are the glitches that happened because of the lag, but you know, still the phone is able to recover, which is quite nice, and the macro still works. So I reckon by this time we probably already opened the camera like 50 times. So okay, 900 more to go. Stay tuned. Guys, I have been already doing this since the last 6 minutes, and right now the phone is very stable, so it's really interesting to see how One UI and S22 Ultra is gonna handle this. I can imagine that some phones will struggle with opening and closing the camera at circa 1000 times, but so far 60 minutes in the run, I'm not sure how many hundred times the camera has been opened and closed. Well, yeah, not bad at all. And sometimes, guys, I just have a feeling that one of the gestures is just missed. Let's say one of the action is missed. And I do believe that actually the Bixby Routines Plus are very intelligent because they are able to recover and still the action is executed. And I also have a feeling that besides the delay that you introduce in your script, right, in your touch macro, still the phone adapts, so it gets slower with, of course, progressing this 1000 openings. Right now, already doing this for 8 minutes, still stable. So I'm just impressed. I'm not sure if all the other phones around are going to be able to handle this without any errors and exceptions and etc. The blue screen of death like Android version. All right, let's continue. I think we have a few hundreds more to go. And guys, as we are already doing this for 10 minutes, it has become slower and slower. But you know what? It still works. So yeah, and I guess we still have a few hundred more to go. I'm very interested to see, will this really work at the end, or something will happen that it's gonna break at all. But all right, let's just keep doing this. And guys, I'm already doing this for almost 40 minutes and I'm slowing down so that you can just see how it works in real time. So it's a bit scruffy, yeah, but you know, it works. So a few hundred times and then we're gonna be over and we're gonna know if the S22 Ultra can handle this. 16 minutes in the run and the phone still is able to open and close the camera. Well, I'm not sure, it's amazing. It's just something random. Is it good? Not sure, but yeah, it's just funny. So few hundred times more to go, and let's just see if the phone is gonna die somehow, camera is going to force close with an exception, or it's just going to remain intact. Oh, guys, I just got a warning. Almost at the 18th minute, guys. Warning, temperature too high. You cannot use the camera, right? So right now, if I'm to be using the camera, I am not gonna be able to do so, but still, you know, the camera is being opened and closed. Warning, temperature too high. So I am now sure that if I touch my phone, it's going to kind of really burn my fingers. So right now, I'm not gonna be able, guys, to take any picture, to record any video, but I'm still able to open and close the camera, and the temperature is too high. So let me just take the phone in my hand. Oh my god, it's burning. Oh, 52 degrees, guys. So I was able to run the macro, yeah, but not 1000 times, guys. So definitely really giving a lot of heat on my S22 phone. It really burns in my hand, so hot the phone is. Yeah, let's see now. I'm opening the camera. Okay. Warning, temperature too high to use the camera. Guys, yeah, so it's not possible, right? But at least we tried. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.